So in this video, we'll be looking at Neiro at the US perpetual contract on Binance, and this is currently trading at around 0.0016694, and this is where I would like to share my opinions with you guys. And make sure you join the Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video. Yeah, I have given you the rejection zone in BTC also, where currently BTC is rejecting, and you can see the price action, as well as Neiro is obviously grabbing some attention in the open interest. You can see that from 10 million it went till 11.25 million just in 24 hours. So we'll be looking at that also, and these things can actually indicate something. That it indicates that most people are coming here to short Neiro because it has been in decline mode ever since 12th of November, and you can see that it has declined almost around since the top. It has came down around 47%, and that is quite a lot. So what I am looking at in Neiro is this first trend line over here. This actually acted as support here around the mid of around the end of September. Then it acted as support around the first week of October, and then it acted as support around the first week of November also. And currently we have come here for the fourth time. So this could actually again act as support, and I'm bidding more Neiro here, and I'm actually on the bullish side of things, so I'm looking for that. And in the daily time frame, you can see that the important EMAs that were forming are currently flipped above. So this is kind of bearish, but not until the 4-hour time frame is very close to the EMA. So what we would be looking at is just a bullish divergence, and we are currently getting that bullish divergence also. You can see that price is moving downwards. You can see that price is moving downwards with all the divergences in the RSI as well as the stochastic RSI to be on the upside, and you can see this is the bullish divergence. So this is good. This is bullish actually in the 4-hour time frame, and this is actually a good bullish signal to bid more Neiro here. But what I would look for the confirmation of Neiro in the 4-hour time frame, I would put this indicator over here, which is called EMA 20, 50, 100, 200. So these are most important EMAs, and I would put it here, and I would mark this box over here from the below EMA, the belowmost EMA and the topmost EMA since around 1890 to 1730. This would be a box for me that is a clear cut no trade zone. So I'll be longing in Neiro if it reclaims this level over here, and if it does not, if it breaks this trend line, I will close this Neiro position over here. So what I am looking for is very simple actually, and this is no just genius math. This is just simple trade setup, and the risk to reward is good here. Okay, this trend line has acted many times, and this trend line has given positive results many times. So I'll be building a position like this. The SL will be around 20% in the spot. If you are building in a spot, if you are building in leverage, you can build only here only, and you can just build 2x or 3x position, and like that only. Since I am giving a call in spot, I would just say that 15 is the stop loss, and the current trigger of the trade would be, to start this trade would be needed a close above 19 0.009. okay, so this would be a good retest, and then we can rally harder in Neiro. So this is what I'm looking at. Before that, you should not long Neiro. You should just clearly wait for the entry. If you are just an aggressive trader, you can take entry over here at the trend line support, and if you're not an aggressive trader, you like to wait for confirmation of things, then you can bid more Neiro around 19, above 19, and that would clearly indicate that some bulls are trying to take control over here over the sellers. Okay, so this would be a simple yet very quick powerful take on Neiro, and I don't think that this coin is here to go or get destroyed. If it that will only happen if it just breaks this trend line. So that would be a clear cut bearish signal. But then also you'll have this area over here. This area over here as clear cut support. So this could actually happen, but this is a very less likely scenario, since Ethereum and all seasons is about to around the brink of the winter season. So these are most likely scenarios that since and the best scenario for me is the best risk to reward setup for me is this over here, to take a long over here and just stop and chill, just buy a spot and chill for the target. The minimum target I would be targeting for is 87%. this would be the high over here, and after that I would be using the fib extension tool. As I've always told you guys to use this fib extension tool is very useful. So I'll just mark this, and you can see that one level was exactly the resistance over here, and so the next target would be 1.618, which is around 125%, and that is clearly 0.0037725. so this is the second target, and the final target could be 220% move from here. So this is my trade. This is a good risk to reward ratio. If we want to take a long trade here, this could be a good trade setup. So that is what I would like to take on, and I'll share this chart in my Telegram. The link will be in the description of this video. Make sure you join that Telegram. Everything is free on this channel. I'll see you guys. Bye bye.